Welcome to QuickShop application. Let's learn about setup of QuickShop app. Step 1. Install files in WebDAV server. Download zip file. Extract that zip file. And upload QSApp folder into your store's WebDAV's content folder. We have used CyberDuck to connect BigCommerce Stores WebDAV. Now, step 2. Create web page. We will create QuickShop page to this store. Step 3. Copy web page code. Copy short code from here. Click on HTML from Page Content Editor. Paste the code in HTML source editor. Save the page. Step 4. Manage page. You can manage QuickShop page from your store's web pages. Set this page link as per your requirement in your store's frontend. See, QuickShop page is displayed in navigation bar. Look, QuickShop app has set up completely in your store. Thank you for watching this video.